Well, hello everybody. It's good to see you again. This is The Joy of Trucking, and I'm Kevin, solo OTR driver for Werner Enterprises. In this video, you're going to see the fella in the green truck trying to back in next to me here. So I'm still at the place where I had to back into the dock. It was very tricky, very difficult. You'll see in this video that the yard is small. There are trailers parked very close in front of us. The ground is uneven. It's gravel. It's full of potholes. There's bush on one side. You also want to keep an eye on the right-hand side of that guy's truck. There's a telephone pole there, which comes into it in a second. I had a hard time backing into this spot. I'm at door number 2, and this guy's trying to get into door number 1 on my right-hand side. So he's dealing with this parking lot plus me sitting here half blocking his way. But he did a pretty good job, I have to say. It took a lot of work for him to get in there, but he made it. And this is also the place where the yard guy came along while I was in the process of backing in. I hadn't even gotten in yet, and he decided to come around the corner with a trailer and hit the corner of my truck and cause some damage. So you'll see this guy working his truck back and forth, trying to get his trailer in next to me and get to door number 1. And just for your own information, he did hit that telephone pole on the right-hand side of his truck up front. His drive tires touched it. The mud flap got caught in between the pole and the tires, and it just yanked that mud flap right off. And that was his only damage, so he was pretty lucky there. I will say the next guy, this guy got in beside me. He got loaded up and got back out, and I'm still sitting here waiting to get loaded. And the next guy comes along, and he thinks he's going to get his truck in beside me at door number 1. And after a lot of struggle, he actually got stuck. His drive tires started digging a pothole in the gravel, and he couldn't go backwards or forward, and I had to show him the inner axle differential lock. So he's basically able to put it in 4-wheel drive, and his other wheels pulled him out of that hole. But at that point, he decided he'd had enough, and he was just going to wait until I was loaded and out of the way, and then he wouldn't have me to deal with, and it'd be easier for him to get in. So yeah, this video shows you the skill of the first driver, how he managed to get his truck in beside me in very difficult conditions, and I hope you enjoy it. So have a look. See you later. I think he just hit that telephone pole with the right side of his trailer. This place is really tight. He's trying to get in on my passenger side. You see in the mirror, there's another dock beside me. Not easy here. Look at this wall here, the corner of this building. I think a few trucks have taking a whack at it. And somebody took a whack at me right here. All right. Here comes the next truck. He's going to want to get in here too. This is crazy.
Congratulations to this driver for doing such an amazing job in such an unbelievably tight yard. Sorry that you lost your mud flap, but it's better than hitting the truck at spot number 2. Thanks for watching, everybody. Give this video a thumbs up and put your comments and questions below, please. And hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to keep coming along. Trucking the roads of America. All right, have a great day. With love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye.